Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to import audio into Krita. Audio support in Krita is currently part of its animation feature set, so you must be working in an animation document with the timeline docker open. In the timeline docker, look for the audio menu icon, typically a speaker icon on the right-hand side of the toolbar above the timeline. Click that speaker to open the audio options. In the audio menu, select Import Audio. A file browser will open. Navigate to your audio file and choose it. Krita will then reference that file inside your animation project. Once imported, you can scrub through frames on the timeline, and Krita will play the portion of the audio that corresponds to your current frame position. When you press play, the audio will play alongside your animation for timing and lip syncing. Keep in mind, Krita doesn't display a waveform for the audio. You'll need to use the timeline scrubber and your ears to line up keyframes. And that's how you import audio into Krita. Thanks for watching.